Thank you. मैं बड़ी सीधी ऐसे वाला मुंह बना लेती है। मैं बहुत सीधी वाली हूँ, मैं बहुत सीधी वाली हूँ, मैं बहुत सीधी वाली हूँ। मेरे से सीधा कोई नहीं, मेरे से सीधा कोई नहीं। सबके बैग खोल के ना, तुमने बैग
Okay.
क्या करके सबके बैग में क्या करके
Hello guys. Good morning, everyone. Nidhi, today is not there, no? Next week I said. Nidhi. Hello. Hello, Nidhi. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Today is not presentation, no?
Oh my goodness. The timing is not the presentation. I thought it's science class.
No. It's maths class.
Yeah.
Okay. So good morning to all. Turn on your camera. We'll start the class. Quickly. Turn on your camera. Okay. So I'll just put a message in the group. Please join. Where is that? Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay, so we were doing yesterday what? Some percentage questions. Any problem in that? Please ask me, guys. I gave you homework. So you guys did that homework and you had any problem? Turn on your camera, Christiana, David, Vetya, Miraculin, please. Where were we? We were in.
So,
Yeah.
so I have a doubt in a few questions.
Please, just give me a second. I am opening that file. It's opening. Chapter 8, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, yes, please tell me doubt. Please tell me your doubt.
So, question 8 and question 13. You should give for
Question
homework.
8, you have doubt.
And 13.
In
CYP 8.2.
8.2 or 8.3?
8.2.
Okay. We are at 8.2. So, in election between two candidates, 25% of voters didn't cast their vote. Okay, so it means that out of 100%, 25% they didn't cast their vote. A candidate scored 40% of the votes pulled and was defeated by 900 votes. So, like out of like basically 100%, it's not their voting was there. Means 75% was the voting. Did you understand? Because
Yes.
25% should for 25% voters they didn't cast their vote, so it means that only 75% voting was there. Did you understand? No.
Yes.
Christiana, Miracle. So out of 75%, 40% is votes is given to a candidate. And after that also he got defeated by 900 votes. So find the total number of voters. We have to find the total number of voters. So first of all, we have to write it down like this. Total number of total percentage of voting. Total percentage of voting, which is 75%. Okay, 75%. Candidate A. God's vote. God's vote, which is 40%. Like he got 40% and he was defeated by 900. Did you understand? Hmm? Okay. So how will you do this? Candidate A. So let the total voting be X. Okay. So total voting be X and candidate A percentage of vote plus 900 will be candidate B percentage of vote. Will it gonna be like this? Like 40% of total vote, okay, plus 900 plus 900. Will it gonna be like this? Yes or no? Candidate percentage. I'll read this question again. Question number 8. In election there are 42 candidates. In election, 2 candidates were there and they didn't get 25% voting was not there. And 900 vote he was defeated. So like sum of them will be equals to the total voting. This plus this. 40% plus 25% of the total votes. 40% plus of X plus 900 plus 25%. Was it like that? Like total number of votes, 40% of that plus 900, 40%. Okay, number of votes poll, which is 0.75. Is losing candidates, winning candidates. Yeah. So I was correct. Like total voting be X. So let let me write it down. So he got 40% of x plus 900, no? So 40% of this, which x plus 900. So it will be 40x plus 90,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, upon 100. That is the winning candidate's votes. So now total percentage of voting will be 75% of x. It will be 75 and 100 of so 40x upon 100 plus getting answer in minus. Why I'm getting 40x, 40% of it? Mhm. 40x plus mhm. See, it won't be this thing. It will be the person who lost, how much it will be. It will be 40% of the total voting, no? Like this is from 100. This won't be from this. So, where the number of losing candidates will be from this. Okay, okay, okay. So, it will be of 100 of x. So, 40 upon 100 into 75 upon 100 x. So, I'll multiply it, what will I get? Three thousand divided by 10,000 x. Okay, and this will be winning candidates will be 40% of 75 upon 100x plus 900. Okay, so When you will solve it, you will get 3,000 x. Two, three, four, and to 6. 2 to 4 to 6. Again, I did mistake, I guess. Ayo, what mistake I did? This one is correct, I guess. In simplest form. Okay, now listen, guys. Put your pen down. Please, this is one of the, complicated question. Not that much, boring question. Okay, listen, guys. So basically, what the question is saying? The question is saying that there is a election. There was a election, and in the election, 25% voters didn't cast their vote. So obviously, 100% voting was not there. How much voting was there? Only 75%, because out of 100, 25% votes were not there. So what I did, let the total voting be X. I took total voting be X. Now out of total voting, only 75% voting was there. So 75% of X, which means that total voting that has done. Okay, so 75% means upon 100, of means multiply, and X. So it becomes 75 upon 100. Then I put it into a decimal point, which is 0.75x. Did you understand till here? So it means that this much voting was done. Are you with me? Till any problem? Just Ron, Miracle? No problem?
No, sir.
Okay. No. Okay. Next one is, let the number of votes losing candidates be. So it says that the losing candidates got 40% of vote, 40% of total voting, not 40% of the total votes, 40% of the voting that has done. Did you understand? No. So the losing candidates will be 40% means upon 100 of, I did 75 upon 100x. Why? Because only this much voting was done. Did you understand me, Raglan? No. Why I didn't only take x? Because the x is not the total voting that has done. We are calculating it from the total voting which has done, which is 75 upon 100x. Did you understand how it came? It came from this side. Ask me, guys. Please ask me. I'm giving you time.
So in this step, 40 by 100 times x, did it become 3 by 10?
40
By 10 times x. I mean, 40 by 100 times x.
No. 40 by 100 into, of means into 75 by 100 into x. So 40 into 75 is 3000 upon 100 into 100 is 10,000. Then I solve it, I got 0.3x, which is 3 by 10x.
No,
Got
I
it?
was asking this step in this one. Let the number of votes of losing candidate be x equals 40% of
No, it won't be x. It won't be x. It will be, let the losing number of candidates, and we are solving it, and we got 0.3x. So what I did, 40% vote he got out of x, or 75 upon 100x. 75 upon 100x. This is the main step. Many students get wrong in this. Why 75 upon 100x? Because the total voting was 75 upon 100 only.
So I don't see 75 upon 100 in that step. Is there 75 upon 100?
Sorry, say it again.
I don't really see 75 upon 100 here.
You can't see here this.
I can just see 40% of x.
No. I mean, everyone, what about you guys? What you can see, guys? Is it 75 upon 100?
Oh, yes, sir, it is.
Akata, rejoin it, beta. Okay, so it's 75 upon 100x.
So I have
Okay,
a doubt.
please.
Up you a total percentage of voting is 75%. You put a point over there like in decimal form, 0.75x. So shouldn't it be 40% of 0.7? Like, can we write in that form as well? Like decimal
Yeah,
form?
you can write that also. Like 40% of 0.75x. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So instead of 75 upon 100, you can write that also. So I multiply 40 into 75, which is 3000. 100 into 100 is 10,000. I solve it, I got 0.3x. So it means that out of 0.75x, 0.3x who got? Losing candidate. Got it? No. Okay. Now winning candidates. We'll talk about now winning candidates. Now how much winning candidates got? If I'll talk about winning candidates, so winning candidates got 40% of x plus 900. Means it was saying na that he got lose by 900 votes. So winning candidates, obviously it gets 40% of the 75 upon 100x, which was the vote by the losing candidates, plus 900 votes. Did you understand? So means 0.3x here also I got, which is the losing candidate votes, plus 900 votes he got extra as a winning candidate. Did you understand? Any problem? Ask me, guys. Miraculin, Jeshron. Any problem, beta? Are you there? Can you hear me? Okay. So, voting of candidate A plus voting of candidate B is equal to total voting. Now, how much candidate means the losing candidate got 0.3x. The winning candidate got 0.3x plus 900, which is because 900 vote he got extra. Is equals to total voting, which is 0.75x. So when you will add it, 0.3 plus 0.3 will become 0.6 plus 900 is equal to 0.75x. This will go that side, it will become minus, and then it will become 0.15x. When you will subtract it, then this 0.15 into x is there, it will go and it will become divide. When you will solve it, you will get answer as 6000. Got it? No. Ask me, guys. Just you got it, beta? Miracle, just
Yes, sir. But when I did this question yesterday itself, but
Mm.
I didn't made all these steps like very small steps I did, but the answer I got was 6,000.
What you did?
Um, uh, like first like the number of voters cast their voters equal to 100 minus 25, that was 75. So the
Mm.
number of voters who cast their vote was 75. If one candidate got 40%, the other got I did like 100% minus 40% equals to 60%, then 60% minus 40% equals to 20%, then 20% of the votes polled equals to 900 votes.
But the thing is, here you subtract the 40% from 100%. But 100% voting was not there, no?
No, I did like 60% minus 40% equals to 20%.
So how you got 60%?
Uh, I subtracted it from 100, the 100 minus 40.
So means you are saying when you subtracted 40% from 100, it means that according to you, total voting was 100%. That's why you are subtracting from 40, no?
Yeah.
But the total voting is only 75%, no? Because 25% didn't cast their vote.
Okay.
Okay. So maybe you got the same answer, but it is a wrong process. Why? Because you have to means write 75% total vote casting was there.
Okay.
Yes. David, next doubt is what was the
So
next doubt, David? Yes, Akata.
I also did the steps by looking into my guide. So are the
Hmm.
steps from the guide itself correct? Do you check?
Yeah, I checked. It was correct. I mean, I didn't find any problem in that. No problem. Yeah. Yes, David.
So question number 13, CYP 8.2.
CYP 8.2, question number 13. Okay. Quickly write it down. Betya, Christiana, got it?
Yes, sir.
Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this question also I will write the answer first. Till then you guys also can copy and then I will explain this.
देखिए आगे बढ़ती है थोड़ा बोलो।
5. 1.32x minus 6182. Let me check one more time. 6182. Correct. I'm getting this answer. Is this correct? Yes, Agatha. I did long process. Yes, Agatha.
When we do Swami equals to Sunil minus 3200, can we just take
Hmm.
10% of Salish plus Salish minus 3200?
Say it again.
We know that we took Sunil's income as 10% of Salish plus
Hmm.
Salish. So can we, sub that value to minus to 3200 for Swami?
Means you want to say that Swami plus 3200 instead of Sunil.
Yeah.
Yes, we can. That's why the point thing is it 8800? The answer is correct or not? Check one more time, no? No, check the answer. I'm asking. In the book, is the answer is 8800? The thing is, I did in a long way. In the points and decimals, this is very complicated way. The easiest way also. What's the answer, Agatha? In the book?
It said when I looked at my guidebook, it says Salish's earning is 12,000, Sunil's earning is 13,200, Swami's earning is 10,000. And X is 12,000. Yeah, X is 12,000.
X is 12,000.
Yeah. I just looked at my guide. I don't know.
Guys, do one thing. I'll do this question tomorrow again. Because this question I did in a very, very complicated way. Like I always do in a simple way, but I took wrong person as a X. And then it become decimals and decimals and decimals. We'll do this question one more time tomorrow. Okay? Then I'll solve it with the simplest way. I mean, I usually run away from the decimals, but I'm getting decimals only. So we'll do this question tomorrow. Okay? On the same time. Okay? And then we'll do the next part, which is the profit loss. Okay? So now you guys have 2 minutes break. Come back. We'll start a science class. मेरे घर पे भी नहीं है भाई.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
Vaishnav. Bye, Jashwant. Why I choose this complicated way? Okay, guys, come back. Peach or chalta raha. Okay, guys. So yesterday we did sign convention. Yes or no? Do you have any doubt in sign convention? No doubt. Now put a heading mirror formula. Quickly, everyone turn in the camera and put a heading mirror formula. Put a heading mirror formula. Okay, the mirror formula is 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon v plus 1 upon v. This is the mirror formula. What is the mirror formula? 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Now, what is f, what is v, and what is u? Yesterday I told you, but today also I can put a something like focal length. F is for focal length. V is for image distance
Image distance and object distance.
from the mirror. Okay, image distance from the mirror, and the u itself is called as object distance. Object distance. So, how to solve this? I'll give you one question. Write it down the question. In a concave mirror, quickly write this question. In a concave mirror, if object is placed 15 centimeter away from the mirror, if object is placed 15 centimeter away from the mirror, and the focal length is 10 centimeters, and the focal length is 10 centimeters. Shall I give you which mirror is this? Concave mirror I told, na? In the question I
Yes,
gave
sir.
a
Yes,
concave
sir.
mirror, no?
Confirm.
And the focal length is 10 centimeter. Find the image distance. Find the image distance and nature of the image.
Sir,
Find the image distance and nature of the image. Yes.
can you repeat from from the mirror and
And the focal length is 10 centimeter. And the focal length is 10 centimeter. Find the
centimeter from
find the image distance. Find the image distance and Nature of the image. Nature of the image. How will you solve this? How will you solve this? Listen, guys. So first of all, we have to make the diagram. Which mirror is this? Concave mirror. So no need to do with the proper pencil and scale. We don't need that. Simple, take a pencil, make it with your hand, make it like this. Okay, no need for proper measurement and all for wasting your time. Just make it like this. Okay, then put C and F. Okay, not too far, means not you can put approximately, not to have to measure and 3 and 4 like that. Don't do that. Now, first of all, what is given in the question? Object is placed. If object is placed at a distance of like that, if it is mentioned, so what it will be? U, V or F? Quickly tell me, unmute your mic. It will be
Sir,
U, V or F.
can you repeat the
I am saying that object is placed that centimeter away from the mirror. Okay, so it will be U, V or F. What it will be?
U?
U. So it means that U is given, which is 20 centimeter. So U will be 20 centimeter. And what will be the F? Focal length. Focal length will be
10 centimeters.
10 centimeter. What we have to find? We have to find V. You have to write it like this. Now, where will I place the object? When will I place? Where will I place the object?
Beyond C.
No. See, this F is 10 centimeter. So can I write it like this? Can I write this as 10 centimeter like this? Did you understand? Now, if this is 10 centimeter, so then this is also 10 centimeter because I told you this is a midpoint. Say yes or no? Now, Christiana, where will you place an object? Yeah.
I didn't just placed 15 centimeters away from the mirror.
Say it again.
The object is 15 centimeters away.
Object is 15 centimeter. Yeah. So now you guys tell me the focal length is in like this. This will also 10 centimeter. So obviously you will put an object between C and F only, because before F it's only 10 centimeter. After C it will become more than 20 centimeter. So it will come near around between C and F. Did you understand? No?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So object you will place between C and F. Now the U is in front of the mirror or back of the mirror? Quickly tell me.
In front.
In front. So yesterday I told you whatever the things in front of the mirror we will consider as negative. So U will be minus 15, not plus 15. In the same way, F is in front of the mirror or back of the mirror?
Front of the mirror.
Front of the mirror, minus 10. Did you understand? Now according to the mirror formula, what is the formula? According to mirror formula, because we have to find V. Okay, so according to the mirror formula, yes.
Yeah,
1 by F is
equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U.
So can I put the values into this? Simple as that. Like 1 upon minus 10 is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U, which is minus 15. Did you understand? Now everyone please pay attention, because the thing which I am going to do, if you will not pay attention on that, you will never get it. Now the denominator is minus sign and this is plus. If I will multiply this plus with this minus, what will you get?
Minus.
Minus. So in the next step, it's going to be look like this. Minus 1 upon 10 is equals to 1 upon V minus 1 upon 15. Did you understand?
So in the minus which is with 15 will disappear, like it went out.
Yeah, because I multiply the minus with this plus. In the same way, this minus and the nothing is written, it is considered as plus. So minus into plus, it becomes minus. Got it, everyone? Christiana didn't mention anything. Yes, Christiana, ask me.
I got it, sir. Now we only have to
Now,
find V.
yeah, we have to find the v. So minus 1 upon 15 will go that side, become plus 1 by 15. So it's like minus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 15 is equals to 1 upon v. So now I have to make the denominator same. The denominator same means this will become how much? 30. Like denominator same means we have to make the denominator same. So we know that
Yes.
this and this also both are divisible by 30. So what will you do? I will multiply this with 3 and this with 2 so that I can get minus 3 upon 30 minus 3 upon 30. Just give me a second. Did you understand? And then it will become plus 2 upon 30 is equals to 1 by 1. Did you understand what step I did? I
No, sir.
want to make the denominator same. Here the denominator is 10 and 50. I know that if I will multiply 10 this with 3, then I will get, oh, you do one thing. If it is too confusing for you, you do one thing. Simple, you find the LCM, or simple, you do that. Now, how will you make the denominator same? What are the trick for that? How will you make the denominator same? This 15 will multiply with this 10 will multiply with this, and they will move, both will multiply. Did you understand? Hmm? This denominator of the second fraction will multiply with the first fraction numerator. This denominator of the first fraction will multiply of the numerator of the second fraction, and both the denominator will multiply. Every time whenever you want to make a denominator, do a diagram like this. Remember this diagram. Okay, so it's gonna be look like this, that 15 will multiply with this minus 1, 10 will multiply with this 1 and make a common denominator, and 10 and 15 will multiply is equals to 1 upon. Did you understand this thing? Okay, remember this thing in your mind. This like this like this, and this like this is equals to 1 upon v. It will become minus 15 plus 10 upon 150 is equals to 1 upon v. So minus 5 upon 150 is equals to 1 upon v. So now I have to do reciprocal on both sides. So it will become 50 upon minus 5 is equals to v. And if I will solve it, I will get answer as minus 30. So the answer is minus 30. You got it?
Sir, I got
Hmm.
until that 15 multiplied by minus 1 and that equation I understood. But after that, I don't understand. Please.
This thing I multiply. Now 15
Yeah,
to minus 1 is
that I
15 to
understood. But the next step,
this step, no?
yeah,
15 to minus 1. What is the 15 to minus 1?
minus
Minus
15.
15, no? 10 into 1,
Yes,
10. 10 into 15, 150.
150.
Now minus 15 plus 10, minus 5. Because they are the same sign or different sign. They are the different sign. We have to subtract it. So we'll get minus 5 in the numerator, and then denominator is 150.
Okay.
Got it? No.
Yes.
Then here I reciprocal it. Means the numerator will become denominator and the denominator will become numerator. So the denominator become numerator, and this will go down. So it become 150 by minus 5, and this will go like this. So it will become V. So V I got minus 30. Yes, Agatha.
So minus 5 by 150, like how did they quickly switch?
I did reciprocal. There's a step called as reciprocaling on both sides. Reciprocaling on both sides. What is the meaning of reciprocaling? Means the denominator, like it will switch like that. Okay, the denominator will become numerator and the numerator will become denominator. Not on only LHS side, but in the RHS side also. The V go up and the 1 become down. Yes, Christiana.
Sir, does the step reciprocal take place when the numerator is lesser than the denominator?
No, no, no. In this, when we got the value like this, okay, we know that it is equals to 1 upon V. We have to find the value of V. So how will you do that? You will reciprocal it with V upon 1 here, and here you will get 150 by minus 5. Reciprocal. Then only we can do. It's not necessary that denominator is greater or numerator is smaller. No, not necessary. Did you understand? So when you got this type, then you have to reciprocal in the last step to get the value of V. Got it?
Yes, sir.
We'll do one more question to for more clarity. Quickly write that question. First write the answer, then write the question. Just give me a second. Okay, guys, did you understand? Write one more question. Write one more question. In a converging mirror, and for your reference, converging mirror is concave or convex? Which mirror is converging mirror? Concave or convex? Joshua.
Pardon, sir?
Which mirror is called as converging mirror, which converges to a light into a focal length? Which mirror is
Concave.
called? Concave. So if in the question, if it is written like that, a converging mirror is like that, so it is always a concave mirror. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Oh, write this thing. In a converging mirror, if the focal length is 10 centimeter, if the
Can you
focal length is
repeat,
10
sir?
centimeter, in a converging lens, if the focal length is 10 centimeter, an object is placed 40 centimeter away from the mirror, 40 centimeter away from the mirror, then find the what I said last line. Object is placed 40 centimeter, no?
Yeah.
Then find the image distance and nature. Find the image distance and nature. Now, guys, in the previous question, when we'll see it, 30 centimeter. Where will the image will be there? Like this is 10. This is 10. 10 plus 10, 20. Obviously, the image will be beyond C. And it
Beyond
means
C.
that
Real
the
and
answer,
inverted.
and yeah, the nature is real inverted, and our answer is also correct. Because we know that when object is placed between C and F, the image is beyond C. So our answer is also correct. Did you understand?
Yes.
So, sir,
Now,
are we like find out the nature? Should we write
yeah,
real and
when you,
inverted, or what should we write?
no, you have to write the nature of the images real and inverted.
Okay, and the V is minus 30.
Yeah. Now in
Like-
this question, we'll,
Like
yeah,
whenever the question is saying concave mirror, so the nature will be real and inverted, now.
not necessary.
No,
What
the
is the
last
last
one
case?
is last case. Yes.
Last case is virtual index, no? When object is between P and F.
Yeah.
Yes, David.
So I have a question. The focal length is 10 centimeters. That's how's the object placed between C and F? Could you explain it?
Here, a previous question or this question you
No,
see?
in this question. In the
Okay,
second
so
question.
if in the second question, so focal length is
10
10
centimeters.
centimeter.
10
and the
centimeter.
object is
Obviously,
placed 40
this is
centimeters
10
away.
centimeter and this is also 10 centimeter. So obviously it will be beyond C
Beyond C.
because you can't put here, it always less than 20.
Yeah.
So
So you
obviously,
said the object is placed beyond C.
beyond C.
Oh,
Now,
okay.
how much beyond C? Not necessary. Just write beyond C.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
So, yeah.
like when we write the question's answer for the previous question, should we say the images like object image
No.
size and
Don't say anything right now. Just what they ask, image distance and nature. Simple as that. Just that thing you have to tell. Okay. Now, listen. Now, in this case, what is the value of U? Quickly tell me, unmute your mic.
What?
40.
No.
No, they have not given. Like we have to find out.
we have to find out.
No. I'm saying object distance, not image distance. Object distance.
Yeah,
Distance 40 centimeters.
40 centimeters.
No. It will be minus 40.
Oh yeah.
Okay. And what will be the F?
Minus 10 centimeters.
Minus 10. Minus 10 centimeters. Perfect. Okay. Now, what we have to find? P. So, what is the formula for that? 1 upon F is equals to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. So, what is 1 upon F? So, it will become like this. 1 upon minus 10 is equals to 1 upon V. What is V? I don't know. What is U? The
Minus
U
20,
is
40 centimeters.
minus
Minus
40.
40.
Now I have to multiply it. So it will become minus 1 upon 10 is equals to 1 upon V plus 1, sorry, not plus, minus. Minus 1 upon 40. This will go and it will become plus. So minus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 40 is equals to 1 upon V. Did you understand? Now I have to make the means the same thing. We have to put in your mind this, and this. Simple as that. So
10 into
minus 40
1.
plus 10 upon 400 is equals to 1 upon V. So it will become minus 30 upon 400 is
So
equals to, yes. Yes.
after minus 10, minus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 40 equals 1 upon V. That after that, did you not write the thing called like 10 into minus 1?
No, 10 into plus 1. How will you do 10 into minus 1? The denominator of the first fraction. So
That-
instead of writing that step, I simply
Oh.
multiply it. You can also do that. 40 minus 1 minus 40. 10
Okay.
into 1. 10. 40
Okay.
into 10, 400.
All right.
So no need to write that step and show.
Yeah. All
Okay.
right.
So it will become, now I have to do reciprocal. Reciprocal means 400 by 30 is equals to 1 upon V. This and this will cut. So it will come around how much? 13 minus 13.3 something is equals to V. Okay. Of course, when you place an object, and nature is real and inverted, real and inverting. Now, of course, the object is between C and F only. When we put an object beyond C, the image is between C and F only. So here also we are getting that only, which is here. Did you understand? No. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Write one more question. Write one more question.
Sir, one sir.
Quickly write it down. Last 1 minute I'm giving. Christiana, if you didn't understand, please ask me, beta, miracle. Christiana, if you didn't
Understood,
understand.
sir.
Okay, now I
Understood.
want answer from you guys. Joshua,
Huh?
did you understand? Joshua, I checked your answer sheet. Your answer sheet is not in detail, beta. Means when we are writing the answers and it when it says 3 to 4 lines, you know the concept, you wrote the answer, but the thing is you only write one word. So because I am preparing you for the 10th class secondary, I want you to write minimum 3 to 4 lines. Okay, I mention in the exam they will not mention. According to the marks you have to write. So if it is 3 marks, so minimum 3 points of 2 line each you have to write. You have to elaborate it. Okay, like for example, we can say that uh, Lazarus alive. This is the main answer. And we can say that Jesus went to Bethany, and in Bethany he find it out that his friend is not there, means he is in the tomb. And then he went, and then he called out Lazarus, and then he came out, and then they praise Lord. So this is the elaborated answer. No, main concept is that Lazarus alive, but the elaborate is that thing. No, so you have to elaborate this concept. Okay. Got it. So please, guys, you have to elaborate it. When it is mentioned to in 3 to 4 lines, you have to elaborate it. And for Agatha, I request you. Okay, Agatha, wait. I requesting and Agatha. Wait. Okay, write one question. Then we'll tell to Agatha. Okay, if no, not if the mirror. Sorry, the mirror which is used in rear car rear car mirrors, the mirror which is used in rear car.
Sir, could you just repeat the question? I have joined.
I have to frame another way. Ruko. Listen. Okay. This mirror is the right this line. Sorry. This mirror is the rear car mirror. This mirror is the rear car mirror.
Sir, can you
This mirror is the rear car mirror,
mirror?
and the focal length of this mirror is 10 centimeter,
Is 10 centimeters. Okay.
as well as the object distance is 10 centimeter. As well as the object distance is 10 centimeter. find the nature, find the mirror, and find the image distance. Find the nature, find the mirror, and find the image distance.
So what do you mean by mirror?
Mirror. What is the mirror of that? It is concave or convex? That is mirror.
Okay. And find the mirror, find the nature.
And find the image distance. Now, obviously, this mirror is the rear car mirror. Now, in rear car mirror, which mirror we use? Concave or convex?
Convex.
Convex. Of course, convex. If we will use concave, then the tire is up and the bonnet is down. We will look like that. Okay, upside down because real inverted is there, no? So this is a convex mirror. So if we have to draw the convex mirror. So which mirror is this? This is a glass. Now this one is
Roughly,
convex mirror. Yeah, roughly only. No need of proper measurement and all. Now this one will be
So,
F. This
in
will
the
be
exam
C.
also, if the
In
question like
exam
this
also.
come,
In exam also. In exam also. Okay. Now you will place an object here. Okay, and the focal length is 10 centimeter. Okay, I am not putting now many students do this mistake that they will put object here. You can't put this. This is a brown side. Nothing is there. This is polished, no? This is brown. You have to put in front of mirror only, here only, which is 10 centimeter. Got it? Everyone? Joshua, you got it? No. So, okay. Yes, Nidhi.
10 centimeters means from the pole to focal length is from the
Yes.
pole to the, okay.
From the pole to the object and from the pole to the this thing. So U will be minus 10 centimeter. That of course. Why minus 10 centimeter? Because why minus 10 centimeter? Because yeah, in front of the mirror. And now in this case, what will be the F? Minus 10 or plus 10?
Plus 10.
Yes, plus 10
Because
centimeter.
it's behind the
So
mirror.
yeah, we have to find the value of V. So 1 upon F is equals to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. So 1 upon F is 1 upon 10 is equals to 1 upon V. I don't know. 1 upon U will be minus
Can you
10.
do it slowly?
Sorry?
Can you do it slowly?
Slowly. I'm just putting the values. I'm not doing nothing. 1 upon 10 is equals to 1. V. Now the denominator is already same. No need to do anything. So 1 plus 1 will become 2 is equals to 1 upon V. So we have to reciprocal it. So it becomes 10 upon 2 is equals to V. I got the answer 5 centimeter. Now what will be the nature? The nature will be virtual
And you're right.
and erecto. Perfecto. You got to? You got it? Everyone got this? Joshua didn't get anything. Joshua.
I got it, sir.
That is very good. Everyone got this? Agatha, David, Miraculin.
So,
Yes.
okay, next.
Wow. I mean, just saying sir and your doubt is solved. That is very nice. Yes, Agatha, yeah. I checked your answer sheet. The thing is, beta, you have to work on little your presentation. The thing is presentation. Okay, you are writing answer correct. You are making it elaborate also. That is also a good thing. But I request you not to leave a line first thing. When you're writing, you leave a line. Okay, you like between two lines, you leave one line, and then it looked like that answer is very long. Okay, so don't leave a line. First thing. Okay, try to write it like this. That I mean, first the letter should be little small, not too big. Okay. Second thing is try to write in points instead of paragraph. Okay, you write only one paragraph for the answer, then it according to the examiner, when examiner will check, okay, that is very boring part for that. And instead, like even you write the correct answer, so he will not read it, and then he will give 2.5 or 2 marks out of 3. So you have to make sure you have to write on in points. Like if the answer is 10 lines, you can make 3 points out of it. Okay, like that. Okay, so you have to write in points, and don't leave lines. Like one line, you write one line, then second line you will leave, then third line, and you will, no, don't do it like that. Just write it down one after one.
Minus
Okay.
7 is okay, right?
Yeah, other one is right, and don't follow my example. Don't write my handwriting, okay? Everyone, I'm saying to everyone, okay? I'm not a good example in that. You only my college teacher understand that, okay? My handwriting, okay? So don't follow my example. Okay, guys. So with this note, we'll end this class. I mean, Hannah came and saying, "Sir, you are taking our class." So okay, till then, bye. We'll meet tomorrow at the same time, 10:40. Bye bye. Good night. No homework. Enjoy.
Bye, sir. Bye, everyone.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.